Do I gotta say it? I hope not.
I'm about to blow me down. Need a swing a grand coupe and take the pain away. The shower, serenade. If I go, you will show me some love.
YouTube, you already know what it is. Your boy Ninth Kage. I'm about to do a reaction to The Dirtiest Kitchen, I think, with Gordan Ramsay from Kitchen Nightmare. Good show if you never seen it before, but he be wildin', so I already know he about to wild out. I probably maybe seen this one before. But he probably gonna be going off like he always do. He becoming mad disrespectful too. But it's a damn good show, man. Like I said, if you ever seen it, I would like advise you to check it out. But without further ado, let's jump right into the video.
This fridge is dreadful. Wow. Chicken breast. Oh my god, just dumped in there. Not even taking out the bag, that's how lazy it is.
This show make me not want to eat anything.
The fridge is not even chill, it's warm. There's not a decent temperature on the floor here. What is that? Unbelievable. Pork belly in a carrier bag on the floor. Next to the pork belly, you've got cooked chicken. It's actually hot inside. Just.
Ew, man, like.
That's sat next to the pork belly.
I think I have seen this though.
Cooked chicken, raw pork. Jesus Christ. What the fuck is that? Some form of chili.
That's.
What is that? How old are they?
They're not that old.
That's old, bruh.
That's
Nah.
2 days old. It's a funny 2 days. You see that there? Blood. Blood from where?
From the meat.
Blood
Yo.
from the meat on the mozzarella sticks.
Wow.
What is that? This is the gyro we had earlier.
Take it.
Yeah, go on, man.
What's that?
This is chicken.
So you got
That's like
cooked
shit.
gyro, cooling down, and you got cooked meat. Sat next to
I'm thinking
raw
this
chicken.
can't be
In a
real.
different
Like,
tray,
this show's gotta
In
be
a
fake.
different tray.
And on top of cover a basket of chicken.
You cannot store cooked meat anywhere near raw meat. Rule number 1. Just smell that. Just smell that. Smell that. Fucking
You
smell
like,
it.
I ain't trying to smell it.
Yeah, go. What's it smell of?
Like, you work it.
Can you tell me what that smells of? Because he's in denial.
That smells like shit.
That is disgusting. Have you any idea how long a jar needs to sit?
Where did you find this?
Where the fuck do you think I found
Yeah,
this?
like.
If it's old, we should have just thrown it out. There's no reason to keep
Have you
it.
any idea how many years that needs to be in? All these fucking
8
jars.
years.
She's supposed to know that
All
too.
these
Though.
jars and my children's life was stored at the back of the fridge. Just.
This has been 8 years over there.
Oh. That is disgusting.
What is that?
Oh my god. Oh, look at the colour of that. Nice gag. That is veal. Oh, you dirty bastards. Zario, what the fuck is that?
These are my, I don't serve these are mine.
How
Why
many
do you have
times a day
like-
to go into that walk-in? Roughly 100. 100. Disgusting. Hold up.
That's broccoli raw, left over from my brother's wedding.
They're left over from your brother's wedding.
What is that?
Have you any idea how bad a turnip needs to go before it gets that bad? Touch that. Just touch. Just.
I'm not serving. We're not using it.
So why do you
Any
have?
idea how bad a slice of veal needs to go that colour? Just smell that. What was that colour? There's the veal in there.
It smells bad. How long is that there?
Couldn't have been 2 days, man. Oh, fuck off. 2 days.
Yeah, like, why are you lying?
What in the fuck is going on?
That's his mother.
What in the fuck is that?
Bugs, bruh.
That is a fucking joke. What's that?
Molasses.
Molasses?
It's been in there since Thanksgiving.
What? It's July.
Since Thanksgiving,
What's that?
and it was July.
Oh, God. Oh,
That's
shit.
green.
This is raw pork. It's not my pork that you served to me, is it?
No, that's all the old pork they left there.
That's the old pork. Where's this one from? Not Thanksgiving again.
Stuff what?
Mushroom. Smell that! Smell it!
Oh,
That's got you all over
mushrooms.
me! Smell it! Go on!
That's your sauce, Harold.
What in the fuck is this?
Throw him under the bus. Like, that's your sauce.
God. Is that flounder?
It's definitely old.
Definitely old. It's green. Smell that.
My God, that stinks. That's gone off. My
See, it's a
God,
lot of things
that's
sick. Like, how did nobody ever get sick from eating it?
That is off as well. Salmon. And look, some dirty fuckers picked all
He
the
just be
bones out
touching
and
it,
left them on
like-
the side.
Nah, bro.
Went to run a fridge. That stinks. So the hoarding isn't just wash machines and microwaves, it's old food. Oh, shit.
Look at the state of this.
Dirty, dirty fuckers. This is the dessert star preparation. It's got blood. It's disgusting.
That is crazy,
And
bro.
these?
Lamb chops.
And what's this sat in? What is that?
Water.
Yeah,
They just poured it on the floor.
You're right. And this here? What is that?
Fudge from a mud pie.
Fudge from the mud pie. That's sat on top of a leg of lamb. That's dripping with blood. You with me? The place is littered with shit. Everywhere you turn. And for me, it's
Smell it.
bad enough to see the crap in the dining room. I didn't
Nasty,
expect that walk-in to be festering the way it is.
Oh, God. What is that? Twice baked potato. Thank fuck I missed that one twice.
What is that?
Oh, wow. So dirty. God, when was that cleaned?
Yo,
Oh, God. What is that? This is 10,000 times worse than I thought it would be.
yo, what?
There's like lather, shit, and crap. Kitchen hell hazard.
The poultry's over. Who rotates the freshness? That's my stuff. Really? Fuck me. Seriously? Why put on my lemons like that for? Why are you taking my product? They're molding you.
Hey, like, what you want the lemons for? What you gonna do with them?
Chicken. Fucking hell. Hey, look at this. What's this for? When's that from then, chef? Those are from today. Those are not going to be served to the public. Oh, I'm not going to serve
said
the
they
public.
from today,
I'm
not
telling you
gonna
that
be
I'm not
served to
going
the
to serve
public.
this. So
What?
you're saving it for what? Talk to me then. This is from this morning. You bullshitting little fucker.
What is that?
You're the little fucker. I'm telling you, this from made today. All right. If you don't fucking believe me, that's your responsibility.
What in the fuck are we doing? How old is that?
I don't know.
Look at the color of the chicken. Green
Yo, everybody
and
he
stinking.
asked in there don't
What's
know
this?
nothing.
Blood in what? We're serving that. Excuse me. Look at the way we work. What is this? What is this? Anybody?
I have no idea.
You got no idea.
Is
And
that crabs?
How old's this? Oh my God.
They look like black.
You disgusting pigs. Look at that. Yeah, it's fermented. Just smell that.
See the mold?
Smell that. Come on, ladies, you own it. Ladies, you've been serving that. See the mold around the side?
Oh, my God.
Oh my god, I thought that was basil. Oh my
No, that's
gosh.
not basil.
She
I
said
wish it was
basil.
fucking
That
basil.
look nothing like no
How
basil. That
long
was
does a
white.
sauce sit in the fridge to get moldy around the top?
Quite a long time.
Fuck off, will you? Touch the wall, you dirty pig.
This is disgusting.
Yo. Bruh. That can't be candy, yo. That ain't candy. There's no way that show was real, bro. Because I feel like if somebody was eating it, they gonna be sick. How did, like, they might kill people, bro. Like, there's no way, yo. They would have been shut down, sued. I don't know, bro. That makes me not want to eat out. Like, I hate that. Because you can go eat somewhere, food be rocking. Like, but you don't know how their kitchen look. You don't know what they serving you. Yo. Watch that show. I'm telling you, it might scar you for life. So if it does, don't blame me. You know what I mean? But, yeah, bro, the one girl, she seen the mold and whatever that was, and so she thought it was basil. Since when is basil white? Like, I don't know. And then they had I don't know, that shit was like acorns or whatever that was, bro. That was in there in the outside freezers. I don't know. He said it was made today, but then he wasn't gonna serve it to the people. That makes no sense, bro. Like, and he still wanted his lemons. Like, your lemons was moldy. And then the old girl, she's like, "Oh yeah, these are my avocados." Like, why you got moldy avocados? That makes no, bro. That was nasty, yo. I'm telling you, this show can't be canon. It can't be, bro. I don't know, man. But look, man, let me know what y'all thought. If it's something you want me to react to, let me know in the comment section. Like, comment, subscribe. It's the Ninth Hokage. Signing out.